Parker, what's her name?
Woman.
No, that's Mommy.
No woman.
Tell her name's Mommy.
No woman.
Ask her what your name is, Gil.
Parker, what's my name?
Woman.
What?
Woman.
Little girl, what's your name?
I'm Parker.
No, you're a little girl.
No, I'm woman.
No, you're a woman. Parker Pie.
With your video over saying, like, when we go somewhere, okay, woman, come on, let's go, woman.
Parker. Parker. What you doing? You stay off underneath her. You keep picking all the stickers off.
I can't.
What's my name?
It's a woman.
Parker, what's Mama's name?
It's mama.
No.
Is that a woman? That's Mommy.
Yeah, that's mommy.
Yeah, that's Mommy.
Where's his name?
So I love you, Mommy.
I love you, mommy.
Say, I love you, woman.
I love you, woman.
You're a beast. What is that? Oh, it's a cap from the pool. Dance, Parky. Show Mama how you dance. That's jumping. Alright, tell everybody bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, you know what? Tell Grandpa Harold. Say, hi, Grandpa Harold.
Hi, Papa.
Oh, Harold.
Harold.
Hi, Papa.
Say, hi, Pop Boo.
What is with this?
Say, hi, Aunt Julie. Papa Boo, yep. You miss your Papa Boo.
Like your Papa.
Parker, do you miss Papa?
Papa Boo Bucky.
Parker Boo.
Parker Boo?
To Uncle Darren.
I got poo.
Wow.
Say, hi, Uncle Darren.
Poo.
Hi, Uncle Jason.
Poo.
You're a beast.
Parker, say hi.
Poo.
Or say poo. Okay. You're funny.
Parker. Parker.
Don't say that.
Parker. Parker. You got a boo-boo on your face. Alright, say bye-bye.
Poo.